All right. Hey, it's me. How are you? I'm just chilling, having a glass of water. After a hard day's work. I'm here at my house slash production facility. I guess you could call it recording studio. And I want to talk about some things that have been weighing on my mind, and I feel obligated to express to you all via ye old internet here. I'm actually about to talk about that. And one of those things I want to talk about is the fact that I am not going to engage in anything political ever again. I am not interested in politics. I never have been interested in politics. Um, I had the thought that I might be able to involve myself involve myself in political matters and still keep my integrity um, to God. And I realize fully at this point that there is no way that this is possible in this world. Um, it's just a completely closed system. And if you wish to do something within the political realm, you really seriously are not going to get anywhere unless you are already compromised, and I don't wish to cross that line. So, because I want to keep my integrity, I am not going to set foot into that world, no matter what. No matter if the entire world starts to completely turn on itself and I'm the last person left standing, I will not set foot in that realm because it's completely ineffective, useless, and incapable of providing an avenue of solving problems. So I know that, other people know that, and therefore I am going to adhere to that knowledge. So there you go. Um, Other than that, I've been working on a lot of really new music, a lot of really good new music, I mean, and it's all available on your favorite uh, streaming platform. It's here on YouTube. Just search for Young Astronauts Club. That is my band, and it's also on youngastronautsclub.com. It's on the very newest stuff is posted on Bandcamp. So youngastronautsclub.bandcamp.com, and it tends to make its way to everywhere else from there. Um, so there you go. So yeah, no more President of the United States. No more, none of that stuff. Any of that stuff. It's not for me. And there you go. All right. See you later.